Well, here's day 29. I still got a lot of roof left to do. Today's Saturday. I'm still waiting for my dense glass. It's still not here. It's already Saturday at noon. I don't even know if it's coming today. But I can finish framing up that back gable and put the side fascia on both sides of that. I can put all the fascia on that one gable that's standing. I can finish the front fascia and build a little 2-foot section down there. I can put the front fascia on it, put the side fascia on it, put the side fascia over there. So I can do all that before the dense glass comes, and then with that all done, I'll just have to dense glass the 2 gables, stand them up, stand the rest of the trusses, and then I can sheet the 2 sides first, and then I'll have to put all these valley trusses in there. That's what all those trusses over there are for. Not those gables, those are for the other crews over there. But those last few trusses over there are mine. They're gonna sit on top of these trusses. But first, I'll have to sheet most of the roof. So maybe I'll get started with the back. I'll get the back lookouts and all that fascia on. So for this back gable, I'll put the lookouts on. It's just gonna be a 2x4 with a 2x8 on it. To figure out the length of these, when I laid out that first truss, I went 23 1/4. But there's also 3/8 OSB there, so that makes it 23 5/8, and I want a 10.5 inch overhang. So 23 5/8 plus 10.5 is 34 1/8. So that's what the 2x4 is. 1/8, and the 2x8 is 10.5 for the 12 inch overhang. The 1.5 inch of fascia on the end will equal the 12 inches. There's also going to be a couple random numbered 2x4s when I get up to the top, so I'm just going to lean a 2x4 up there, and I'll bring my saw up with me too, so that when I get to that point I can just cut them up there. Okay, so now I'll climb up there and start nailing that, or I'll probably start here, work my way around. But before I go up there, I want to make sure I got everything I need. There's 5 lookouts for this side, 5 lookouts for that side. There's my 4 green tails. I'm gonna have to cut the spruce tails off there. There's the fascia for the side, there's the fascia for the gable. All my lookouts, the fascia for that side, the fascia for the gable. I don't need tails on that side because I can use the spruce ones that are on there. And I got my 10.5 block for the top. And then I'm just gonna have 2 more random pieces at the top. That's what I got that 2x4 and saw there for. And that should be everything for back here. And I got lots of nails. That should do it. So I'll start here with this green piece of fascia on the side. I'm gonna cut those spruce tails off, but I'm gonna use them for now. I'm gonna just tack the fascia to it for now, and then I'll put my green ones on and nail those good, and then I'll sawzall the spruce ones off. So I'll do that. There's the first piece on with the green tails. So now I have to cut these ones off because they can't be untreated wood in the soffit space. There's gonna be dense glass here, so anything behind the dense glass is okay, but anything on this side of the dense glass needs to be green. So I got that first one in. I had this cut to 46 1/4 to the short, so I measured up 46 1/4. That's where this starts, and then I'll put these in every 2 feet from here all the way up, and then I'll nail that piece of fascia onto those from the top down to there, and then I'll cut that end sticking off. I had to let that pass load battery charge up, but it's good to go now, so I'll put the rest of these lookouts and fascia on. So that side's all done. The only thing I need is to finish the top. So I got this piece cut. It's just a 21 5/8 block onto two 2x4s with a 10.5 inch 2x8 on the end. That's all nailed on. That should fit right perfectly on that peak. Nail that in. That's all nailed up. Now I just need to trim those fascias at the end. That one and then that one. I'll trim those off. And that's all of this done. I can do the same thing at the front. So I'll start on this side. These already have the tails. I put the one tail on the end. I have that other tail I have to put on there too, but I'll put the fascia on first. and then put that other stick in, and then put those lookouts on. The memory card filled up there, but there's that piece. And is this side all framed? You see those lookouts? Both of those gables were dropped, so the lookout had to go across both gables. That's why those ones were so long. But then they shorten up and they're regular lookouts for the rest of the gable. But first I'll put that side piece on, and then I can put those lookouts on, and then the front fascia. I got the fascia and tails on that side. I'll put my first lookout on. The first lookout has to be green. The rest of them can be regular. I'll put it to my line, nail that up, and then put them in every 2 feet. And there's those lookouts and fascia all in there. I'm gonna leave this last piece off though, because I have to build this part of the roof first, this 2-foot part. This is just gonna go down, same overhang on the front, and then just go straight down. And then this piece of fascia will come from there and sit onto this roof. So I have to build this roof here first, and then I can put this last piece of fascia on. But that's it for fascia, other than the side gables. And my dense glass still isn't here. So I guess it's time for a beer.